This week was really fun. It was amazing, and I completely loved it. We had a few final year activities this week, and it was actually fun. On Monday, we had no bag day where we had to like come to school without our bags, our school bags. So you just bring random objects and put your things in it. So it was really fun. It was enjoyable. Everybody bought random things. We all laughed about it. And then we proceeded to go for Wednesday, which was when we did bring a weird thing to school day. I couldn't find a weird thing, so I went to my screwdriver. Like the it's not weird for an engineering student, but then it's weird to bring to class. So I went with that. And also we were locked up to like clean our classroom because generally they do clean it, but it was way too dirty that time and there was nobody available. So we're locked in to clean it up. Yeah, the whole me sweeping. That's so wrong. Anyways, that was fun because we were all doing it all together. So it was fun, it was enjoyable. And of course that didn't stop me from studying. Yeah, with all the fun I still have something to stay consistent on and stay disciplined about. So before the day I study, I do embedded systems as usual, then French as usual, and I'm currently putting in like communication and getting my public speaking skills to be better because I really enjoy public speaking, but I don't do public speaking because I am not feeling confident enough to do it. I feel like I'll mess up, but like I've been trying to understand people and learn about people generally, human psychology and stuff like that. So I started add that into the becoming situation here, and it was nice. I spent the week studying, and on embedded systems, I taught GPIO ports and pins. Yeah, how to communicate with peripheral devices, which is external devices, memory addresses, and stuff like that. Those were the aspects that were like explained. I'm still currently on the theoretical part. We've not gotten into the main practical where I can like build projects yet. And I'm not going to rush things because if I rush, I'm still going to come back when I do not understand. So I am not rushing things for this. I am taking it slowly. So, and to French, I changed my phone settings to French. Why? I don't know. I was getting things like immerse yourself in it, make your daily activities all French, do this in French so you can understand it. So I just took the step and now I've been it takes hours. It takes longer to find apps that I find easily. And one thing I made sure to know is how to get to the settings where I change it back to English. What else did I do this week? That's all. Oh yeah, we did. We had Gary Day. Yeah, we had Gary Day where we had to like take Gary. If you don't know what that is cassava flakes in Nigeria. Yes. So we had Gary. It was all nice. So basically, that was the highlight of my week. I had fun. I don't know how next week is going to be, but hopefully, next week is Deeyah. It's Eid. Next week is Eid, so it's probably going to be fun. I won't promise studying too much next week because I have to eat a lot of meat, and I don't think I will be able to, study too much. But I will make sure I do something. I will make sure I do something. I promise. Because I have to stay consistent. I'm 3 weeks in and I cannot back down now. I still have 9 weeks to go. 9 more weeks. I can do it. I'm going to become a pro soon. Pro embedded system engineer, not professional embedded systems engineer, professional fluent French speaker, confident public speaker. What else? What else is there? I'm going to do it all. Bye for now.